Class 2, English 1, Chapter 2, Naming Words. Topic for today, Exercise B, given on page number 18 of your English 1 book. Good morning, dear students. Hope you all are fine and studying well. So, now are you ready with your English 1 book, pencil and an eraser? We are going to do this exercise B given on page number 18 of your English 1 book. Once you have completed it in your book, then do the same work in your copy as homework with date, chapter name and homework heading written on the top of the page. I will be reading the sentences very slowly for you. You need to listen attentively and repeat wherever the question is read to you. This will help you in reading, speaking and listening also. Now let's start exercise B with reading of the instruction. So what's given as instruction for this exercise? Let's see. Okay, keep your finger there. Circle the naming words, write them in the correct columns. So here you see there are two parts to be done. One, you will be circling all the naming words in the sentences given, and whatever you have circled here, you will put them into different groups given below in the table. In the table of, there are 4 columns given here. You all know that these 4 columns are made for the naming words of people, animals, places and things. Now, let's start with question number 1. I hope you have understood the instruction. You have to circle the naming words first and you have to identify what do they name. Do they name people? Do they name animal? Do they name place? Do they name things? And then you have to write that same circled word in the correct columns below. Okay, let's start. Question number 1. Rahul and Ritu were coming from school. So here we see Rahul, Ritu and school are the naming words, because when we ask this, if you remember in my last exercise, I told you when we want to find a naming word, we have to ask the question, is this word a name of a person, place, animal or thing? If you get the answer yes, then that word is a naming word or nouns. So if I ask the same question with each word of this sentence, I get answer for Rahul word, Ritu word and school word. So here the nouns are Rahul. Is Rahul a name of a person? Yes. So where will we write? In the people's column. Person means one person. When we are talking of one person. If we say two persons, then it is called people. When it is more than one, we call it, it's plural of person. People are many. Person is one. So you can either say persons or people. So here Rahul is a name of a person. So we will write it in the column people. And Ritu is also a name of a person. It's a name of a girl. So we write this word Ritu in people's column. Then I said school is also a naming word, because just ask yourself, is school a name of a people? No. Is school a name of an animal? No. Is school a name of a place? You get the answer? Yes. That is why it's a naming word, because it's a name given to a place. So you will circle the word school and write it in the places column. Let me repeat the answers for this question. Rahul, Ritu, school. These are the naming words. Rahul and Ritu name the people. So you will write it in people's column. School is a naming word. It's a name of a place. So you will write school word in the places column. Have you written? Okay, now let's move to question number 2. Repeat after me. The little girl was playing in the park. The little girl was playing in the park. Now, when we ask the question with the little, we don't get the answer. Yes. But if you ask the question with the word girl, is girl a name of a person? Yes. That's a name given to a person. So, girl is a naming word. So, write it in people's column. Circle it and write it in people's column. And then we have was playing in the, these are all not the naming words of a place, people, animal or thing. So, they are not naming words. But if you check the park word, it's a name of a place. So, park is a naming word. Circle it, and what does it name? It is a name given to a place. So you will write park word in the places column. Done, children? Now let's move to question number 3. Myra went to her village for the holidays. She saw many animals. Her grandmother showed her a cow too. The cow gave milk every day. Now there are how many sentences in this? 1, 2, 3, 4 sentences here. Now let's check the words one by one. Myra, is it a name of a person? Yes, it's a name of a girl. So where will you write it? In the people's column. Circle the word Myra and write it in people's column. Now, went to her. These are not the names of any person, animal, place, or thing. But if you see the word village, it answers our question, is this a name of a place? Yes, it's a name of a place. So, we have to circle village and write it in the places column. And now for and the. These two are not the naming words. They don't name any person, animal, or place or thing. Now let's go to the next word, holidays. Now here, children, it is not a name of a person, name of an animal, name of a place, or name of a thing, but it is an abstract noun. We call it as abstract nouns, or those nouns which we cannot see. We can only, it's an idea or a thought or a quality. So here I will not explain much on this topic because it's too early to give you all this detail. So just circle the word holidays. Holidays is also a naming word here, and you write it in the things column because it's an abstract thing. It's a thing which you cannot touch. You can only feel or you just get an idea about it. So this is also a noun. So circle holidays and write it in the things column. The next question number 3 is next sentence is she saw many animals. Here she is not a name of a person. Saw many is not a name of a person, place, animal or thing. But animals is a name given to a particular type of creatures. Like we are humans, these are like cat, tiger, all these groups are called animals. So it's a name given to a particular creatures. So we call it we circle this word animals also. And where will we write it now? In the animals column. Now the next part of the sentence is her grandmother showed her a cow too. Now her is not a naming word, but grandmother is a name given to an old lady. So it's a naming word. So circle the word grandmother as naming words and write it in the people's column. Then we have showed her a. These are not naming words. They are not names of any place, people, animal or thing. But if you see cow, it's a name of a animal. So we will circle this word cow and write it in the animals column. Now let's look at the next sentence of this question. The cow gave milk every day. Here, cow is a name of an animal, just now we saw. So circle the word cow and write it in. You don't have to write it again because it's already written there. We know that cow is a naming word. Now we have gave. Gave is not a naming word. It's an action. So we don't write here. We will not circle. Now milk. Milk is a naming word because it's a name of a thing. So circle the word milk and write it in the milks column. Sorry, in the things column. Question number 4. Arjun has a pet cat. Her name is Lucy. Lucy sleeps on the couch. There are 3 sentences in this question. So let's look at the first sentence. Arjun, is it a name of a person, place, animal or thing? It's a name of a person. So you have to circle the word Arjun. And where will you write it? Because it's a name of a person, so it will go into the people's column. Now we have has a pet. These are not the naming words here. Only cat. Cat is a name of an animal. So circle the word cat and write it in the animals column. Now the next part of the sentence is her name is Lucy. Her name. So I circle the word name and Lucy. Name is again an abstract noun which you can only think of. We cannot touch it. So it's a noun. Circle the word name and write it in the things column. Lucy is a name given to the cat, which is an animal here. So here we will write Lucy word in animals column. In the next sentence of this question, Lucy sleeps on the couch. So who is Lucy here? Lucy is a name of an animal here in this sentence. So it will go in the animals column. Now, sleeps is an action on the, they are not the names of people, place, animal or thing. But couch, what is couch? Couch is another word for sofa. So you know sofa is a name of a thing. So couch here is a naming word. It names a thing. So circle couch and write it in the things column. Question 5. Father bought a pink bicycle for Ria. Ria rode it in the neighborhood. Ria loves her bicycle. So there are again 3 sentences in this question. In the first sentence, father bought a pink bicycle for Ria. Here the naming words are father, bicycle and Ria. Circle these words. Now I will tell you why they are the naming words. Father is a name of a person. Bicycle is a name of a thing. Ria is a name of a girl. So they are naming words. Now as I told you, father will go in people's column, name of a person. Bicycle, what is it? It's a name of a thing. So write it in things column. And Ria is again name of a person. So write it in people's column. Now let's do the next question, next sentence of this question. Ria rode it in the neighborhood. Ria, again we found that word in the previous sentence that it's a name of a person. So we don't have to write it again. Rode is an action and it in the, these are not any name of a person, place or animal or thing. Now look at the word neighborhood. Neighborhood is the area or the place where many people live together. Many houses you see around your house. That place is called a neighborhood. So it's a name given to that place. So neighborhood is a name of a place. So neighborhood is a naming word. Circle it and write it in the places column. Now the next sentence is Ria loves her bicycle. Ria, we found that it's a name of a person. We have already written it in the people's column. You just circle it. Now loves is not an naming word. Her is also not a naming word here. Bicycle is a naming word like we found that in the first part of the question. Yes, so Ria and bicycle you will circle it, but you don't have to write it in the column because you have already written it. So we found that there are how many words we circled here now? Question number 1, Rahul, Ritu, school. Question number 2, girl, park. Question number 3, Myra, village, holidays, animals, grandmother, cow, milk. Now question number 4, we circled Arjun, cat, name, Lucy and couch. Question number 5, we circled father, bicycle, Ria, neighborhood, Ria and bicycle. So these are the words which we circled and we have put them in the correct column according to the naming of people, animal, place or thing. I hope you have understood this exercise well and do it neatly in your copy by writing all these questions, circling it and making a column below it with the same weights that's given in your